What up YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja. I really appreciate you subscribing, hitting the notification bell, liking, commenting and sharing on this amazing YouTube channel that helps you help friends and family members and yourself find online jobs, find ways to earn money online, to do everything online that brings you money. You want money? Why you want money? It's up to you. For me, I want to buy back my time and my freedom. Okay? I want the freedom and flexibility of going here, going there, traveling, living the life of my dreams, and not having to worry about how money is coming in because it does it by itself. And that's why in the description below there are links to courses, programs, free trainings that teach you how to get leads, how to earn money, how to set up systems to generate income even if you're sleeping, even if you're on a plane, even if you're vacationing. These things work and they'll work for you. Now in this video I'm going to do a quick job lead if you are wanting to work for someone per hour. This comes to us from BetterHelp. Now BetterHelp has been, I don't know if I would say revolutionary, but they're one of the counseling companies that have pushed an online platform or an online presence lately. There are many companies that have counselors, therapists and so forth, but not a lot. Well, there have been a lot emerging recently, and especially during COVID-19, that have been trying their best to stamp their authority on the online platform. At any rate, BetterHelp is one of those companies. Now they're offering a counselor job, right? Which, as it says, is a private practice with no doors and no overhead. And that's because you're doing it online. Okay? Now, you can earn more with BetterHelp. Interested in joining the world's largest mental health platform? And that's why BetterHelp has been so, I don't want to say can't say that. They've been so present everywhere you'll pop up, or a lot of times you'll be watching a program and you'll hear about BetterHelp. On YouTube, I've watched programs of people talking about bettering themselves and so forth, and one of the sites or companies that they usually reference is BetterHelp. Okay, now it goes on to say you decide your schedule and how much you want to work. We'll take care of the client referrals and billing details. So you put in the time and they'll just pay you accordingly. Okay, now you can find out how much you could be making by using the earnings calculator, which is here. If I click part-time, 20 hours per week, estimated annual earnings is roughly 39,000. At full-time it was 100,000 estimated. If I were to go closer to say 30 hours per week, you'd be taking home 66,300 roughly, and that's an estimate. And if you did overtime or you did more time doing say 50 hours per week, you'd be looking at 136,500. So it's something to think about. It's something you can work with. I love that little calculator thing. And you can actually get started on your application by clicking there. But let's read some more. Now, why work with BetterHelp? They're reliable. It's reliable income. Over 10,000 people sign up on BetterHelp every day looking for a counselor to help with life's challenges. BetterHelp can be your main source of income, full-time, or a supplement to your current work. Focus on counseling. No need to worry about costs from acquiring clients, billing, support, or operations. Let us handle the fees and paperwork so you can focus on what you do best. Work flexibility. Work from the comfort of your home on your own schedule. Complete package. Forget about downloading and installing third-party software. Will provide the tools to allow you to excel at your craft. And on your right, you can select your license type. You could be a clinical social worker, marriage and family therapist, mental health counselor, professional counselor, or psychologist. Okay, you can watch this neat little video to see what some of the counselors there have to say about working with BetterHelp. Alright, But to become an employee or to be employed to BetterHelp, you must be licensed by a state board to provide counseling. And these are the lists of some of the state boards. Okay. Note, unfortunately, if you are an intern or if you require supervision to provide counseling services, you cannot be a provider at BetterHelp at this time. Also, we are unable to accept substance abuse counselors, school counselors, registered nurses, career counselors, Christian counselors, and business life coaches unless they have an additional license as a mental health counselor. Experience in counseling for adults, couples, and or teens. You must have excellent writing skills, reliable internet connection, and you must be currently residing in the US. Now, counselors are not BetterHelp employees, but independent providers. Alright, so I guess you could say you're a contractor. So you're independent and you just happen to lend your services to the platform. And that's why they strongly require you to be licensed by the state board. Okay? So if you want to read through some of these testimonials, you can. Here's another one. Rebecca Wilson. Okay. Now, you just click here to get started, which is to sign up. Also, you can click here to get started or to sign up. And you're looking at possibly $100,000 working a full work week of 40 hours per week. Okay? So if that's something you can manage and you love counseling and it's something that I guess you're passionate about, you're licensed, you live in the States, and you have all your credentials together, this is a way that you can earn money either on the side or full time. Give it a try. Or if you know someone who's a counselor who's licensed, then you could pass this on to them. So again, guys, just subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share this job lead with someone you know who would be a crack at this thing, who would be awesome at this job. Just let them know about it. There's a lot of people looking for work, and you could be the one who was knowledgeable about this and could help someone else get a job like this. Okay? If this isn't your thing, check the links in the description below. They work. Create the life of your dreams. Make money online passively. Enjoy your life. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.